Hey there, this is John with NV Property Solutions. In this video, we're going to be going over how to avoid foreclosure in the Reno and surrounding areas. So hopefully you get something out of this video, especially if you're going through foreclosure or you're right at the doorstep of foreclosure, or maybe even past the point of no return with foreclosure. Anyway, before we jump into how to completely avoid foreclosure, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to subscribe to the channel if you've never been here before. Please like and share this video with all your friends and family, so that way if they're going through foreclosure, they can get the information and actually apply it to what they're trying to do. Anyway, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into how to avoid foreclosure right here in the Reno and surrounding areas. So before we actually get started with all that, foreclosure is, if you have no idea what it is, it's basically you didn't pay your mortgage and the bank is getting ready to kick you out. Or also another way of foreclosure is if you don't pay your property taxes, the county will foreclose on your house and actually auction it off because they want their money too. But we're not really covering that as of right now. We're just covering more of the mortgage foreclosure and stuff like that, and you're about to lose your house to the bank. So, all right, let's go ahead and jump into it now. The key to how to avoid foreclosure is don't abandon ship. If you can absolutely avoid it, stick it out and work with the bank, and get in touch with them, see what they can do, what you can do, and work something out with the bank and stuff like that. So that way you don't completely ruin your credit and you don't end up losing the house. Now, due to unfortunate things, like maybe you lost your job and there's no work available at all, or some other unforeseen circumstance, such as like medical or whatever, something that's put you completely out of work, and you have no way to pay the bank at all back at all. You usually, when you actually talk to the bank and stuff like that, or the lien holder, they want to work with you because they don't want to see you go through foreclosure, because really ultimately it boils down to is they want their money too. So if you can come up with some kind of like repayment program or something like that with them, then absolutely do that. But that's really what you got to do. So basically the first thing you got to do is negotiate with the lender. Like I said, talk with them, see if you can't do something with it. Either work out a repayment program, or maybe even do a short sale or something that will remedy the situation. Short sale will probably screw up your credit just a little bit, but not. It's kind of like a voluntary repo of your car. Yes, you're still going to get dinged on your credit, but it's not going to be nearly as bad as they actually do repossess the vehicle anyway. But with that, talk to the lender, see what they can do, and all that. Next thing you do, you can ask for help from the government. They have many different programs out there and stuff like that. Just type into Google foreclosure help from the government. I do believe that'll work, and that way you can get some information on it. They also have a home affordable modification program, or HAMP program. This allows struggling homeowners to modify loans, reducing monthly payments. The home affordability refinance program allows homeowners who are current on their mortgage payment refinance and adjust an adjustable rate mortgage into a low interest fixed rate mortgage. So that's also an option for people and stuff like that. And then of course, like I said, reach out to the lender. Maybe even filing for bankruptcy is another option you can do to avoid foreclosure. But the only problem with bankruptcy is if you have no way to pay it back, then you will not qualify for the bankruptcy program. At least that I've seen. You might be able to do something if you talk with a bankruptcy specialist. I'm not a bankruptcy lawyer or attorney or anything like that, so I would advise you to go talk to one, especially if you're looking at possibly filing for a bankruptcy. But anyway, with bankruptcy and stuff like that, you're going to have to set up some kind of repayment program with the lender and stuff like that. So you're not just completely, free and clear, and everything is completely washed away. It's not like how it used to be. where you filed for bankruptcy and everything was, erased. Now you have to repay everything, including student loan debt and so on and so forth. But that's a topic for a whole different discussion. But anyway, hopefully this video helped out a little bit to kind of get an idea of how to avoid foreclosure and stuff like that. So if you need help with any kind of if you're not sure where you need to be or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me anytime. My phone number is 775-391-5236, or head over to my website at nvpropertysolutions.com. Also in this description, I will drop a link to the free guide that I have on my website. You can download and read through it and stuff like that. It'll definitely help you with understanding foreclosure and stuff like that. In any case, this is John with NV Property Solutions. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys stay safe, and we'll see you next time. All right, take care.